To the full nerd community, it is with a heavy heart that I need to inform you that Gordon Mah Ung, PC World executive editor and host of the Full Nerd podcast, has passed away on December 21st. Despite receiving a terminal cancer diagnosis, Gordon lived the final year of his life the same way he had all of the others, with passion for his family, his friends, and of course, the PC. He passed on his own terms, peacefully in his sleep, surrounded by loved ones. A GoFundMe has been set up to support his family, and you can read further articles about Gordon's legacy, including memories from staff and industry friends, on PCWorld.com. Gordon's commitment to journalistic standards was unparalleled, and the impact of his coverage has helped shape the PC industry for the better. He touched many lives throughout his 25-plus year career, mine included, and the world is worse off without him in it. Gordon studied journalism at San Francisco State University and then worked as a police reporter for the Contra Costa Times in the mid-1990s. But many of you first came to know Gordon's reporting, over-the-top love for hardware, and trademark rants during his 16 years at Boot Magazine and its relaunch as Maximum PC. Gordon originated and wrote the Watchdog consumer advocacy column, helping users who had bones to pick with vendors or were impacted by fly-by-night operations. Gordon also led Maximum PC's signature Dream Machine builds every year, inspiring generations of PC builders. In addition to the Watchdog and Dream Machine, Gordon's coverage of CPUs, motherboards, pre-builts, and other hardware helped move the industry. In late 2014, Gordon joined PC World, becoming executive editor in charge of hardware, bringing newfound passion and his deep knowledge of testing into articles and later video. Starting in 2015, I worked with Gordon on video projects, including an amplified series called Hardcore Hardware. It wasn't until my first trade show with Gordon, following him around with a camera, that his true knack for off-the-cuff and speedy reporting came through. Gordon absolutely loved filming videos, whether it was from the trenches at a trade show, after days of rigorous testing, or on a live PC build stream. In every format, Gordon excelled at distilling down important information about new products and interviewing key industry figures. Over hundreds of videos, Gordon entertained new and longtime fans with his witty sense of humor and exaggerated opinions, all while showcasing his deep knowledge of the subject material. Gordon was truly in his element during the Full Nerd podcast, which we created in 2016 and where he proudly took the hosting chair. Every week, Gordon was able to share his knowledge of new hardware, speak his mind about industry matters, and provide useful buying advice, all while doing it live. It was Gordon's connection to the community and fellow industry professionals that meant the most to him, and also provided so many memorable moments. Gordon was unwaveringly committed to chasing the news and covering it in the fairest way possible. He continued to shoot video, appear on the podcast, and be involved in hardware testing until months and weeks before his death. In his final days, I was able to speak with him, and he made it clear what the Full Nerd meant to him and how he was proud of what he built. He stated that his journey from writer to quote-unquote YouTube star was important to him and helped to share his message. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who read Gordon's articles, watched Gordon's videos, and shared in his passion for bigger bar better. We know Gordon loved hosting the Full Nerd. He loved the audience and the PC community. He loved PC hardware, and he wanted the Full Nerd and news coverage to continue. We're going to have a celebration of his life with colleagues and friends from the industry as soon as we're able. And while I don't have more to share right now about what comes next, I would like to ask that you support Gordon's family if possible through the GoFundMe, and take the time to share some of your favorite memories of Gordon. Even though he isn't with us anymore, he will always be in our hearts.